Forget the romanticized Hollywood version. Casablanca is a vibrant, bustling metropolis, a melting pot of cultures, a city that pulsates with life. It's a place where the ancient whispers of history mingle with the modern rhythms of a globalized world. This isn't just a movie set, it's a real, breathing city waiting to be explored. Come with me, let's dive in. Casablanca is more than just a stopover on the way to Marrakesh or Fez. It's a destination in its own right, a city that deserves to be savored, not just skimmed. It offers a unique blend of European and Moroccan influences, a fascinating clash of tradition and modernity. This is a city that will surprise you, challenge you, and ultimately captivate you. The city's energy is infectious, its streets alive with the sounds of vendors hawking their wares, the aroma of spices wafting from bustling markets, and the constant hum of activity. From the bustling port to the serene beaches, from the ancient Medina to the modern city center, Casablanca offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will leave you breathless. Prepare to be seduced by its charm. While Rick's Cafe, a replica of the iconic bar from the movie, is a fun tourist attraction, the real magic of Casablanca lies beyond its doors. Venture off the beaten path, lose yourself in the labyrinthine alleys of the old Medina, and discover the hidden gems that truly capture the essence of this city. This is where the real adventure begins. Explore the vibrant markets where you can haggle for spices, textiles, and handcrafted treasures. Wander through the residential neighborhoods where you'll glimpse everyday life unfolding in all its chaotic beauty. Engage with the locals, learn a few Arabic phrases, and experience the true warmth and hospitality of the Moroccan people. Seek out local cafes and sample traditional Moroccan cuisine. Savor the rich flavors of tagines, couscous, and pastilla. Indulge in the sweetness of mint tea and the aroma of freshly baked bread. Let your taste buds guide you on a culinary journey through the heart of Morocco. Don't be afraid to get lost. Some of the most memorable experiences happen when you step outside your comfort zone. Embrace the unexpected, embrace the unknown, and let Casablanca surprise you with its hidden treasures. Built by the French in the 1920s, the Habous Quarter, also known as New Medina, is a charming blend of French colonial architecture and traditional Moroccan design. Its wide, tree-lined boulevards, elegant arcades, and pristine white buildings create a peaceful oasis in the heart of the bustling city. Explore the artisan workshops and boutiques, where you'll find exquisite handcrafted goods. Visit the Royal Palace, an opulent showcase of Moroccan craftsmanship and architecture. Wander through the tranquil Andalusian gardens, a hidden gem filled with fragrant flowers and lush greenery. The Habous Quarter is a photographer's dream, with its picturesque streets, intricate details, and vibrant colors. Whether you're a history buff, an architecture enthusiast, or simply seeking a peaceful escape, the Habous Quarter is a must-visit. Stretching along the Atlantic coastline, the Corniche is Casablanca's vibrant beachfront promenade. It's a place where locals and tourists alike come to relax, socialize, and enjoy the fresh sea air. Whether you're looking for a leisurely stroll, a refreshing swim, or a lively night out, the Corniche has something for everyone. During the day, the Corniche is a hub of activity, with families picnicking on the beach, children playing in the sand, and surfers catching waves. As the sun sets, the atmosphere transforms, and the Corniche comes alive with music, laughter, and the aroma of grilling seafood. It's a perfect place to experience the vibrant energy of Casablanca. The Corniche is lined with cafes, restaurants, and nightclubs, offering a diverse range of culinary and entertainment options. Enjoy a romantic dinner overlooking the ocean, sip cocktails at a trendy beach bar, or dance the night away at a pulsating nightclub. The Corniche is where Casablanca truly comes alive. From luxury hotels and resorts to budget-friendly guest houses, the Corniche offers a wide range of accommodation options to suit every budget. Whether you're looking for a luxurious beachfront escape or a simple, comfortable place to stay, you'll find it on the Corniche. Section 5. Quartier des Arts, a haven for creative souls. For art lovers and creative spirits, the Quartier des Arts is a must-visit destination. This vibrant neighborhood is home to numerous art galleries, studios, and cultural centers. Immerse yourself in the city's thriving art scene and discover local talents. Admire diverse artistic styles, from traditional calligraphy to modern sculpture and photography. Visit local artists' studios and witness their creative process firsthand. Engage with the city's vibrant artistic community at exhibitions and events. Enjoy trendy cafes, restaurants, and bars, creating a lively atmosphere. Connect with fellow art enthusiasts and enjoy Casablanca's vibrant art scene. Whether you're a seasoned collector or simply appreciate art, the Quartier des Arts will inspire you. It's a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage and thriving artistic community. Section 6. The Ancient Medina, a Journey Through Time. Step back in time and explore the ancient Medina, the historic heart of Casablanca. This labyrinthine network of narrow alleyways, bustling souks, and ancient buildings offers a glimpse into the city's rich past. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the sights, sounds, and smells of traditional Moroccan life. Wander through the souks and discover a treasure trove of handcrafted goods, from spices and textiles to ceramics and leatherwork. Haggle with the vendors, practice your Arabic, and experience the thrill of the bargain. Visit the historic mosques and admire their intricate architecture and spiritual significance. The ancient Medina is a sensory overload, a place where the past and present collide. It's a place where you can experience the true essence of Casablanca, its rich history, and its vibrant culture. It's a journey through time that you won't soon forget. Be sure to try the street food, from savory tagines and couscous to sweet pastries and mint tea. The ancient Medina is a culinary adventure, offering a diverse range of flavors and aromas that will tantalize your taste buds. Section 7. The Hassan II Mosque, a majestic masterpiece. No trip to Casablanca is complete without a visit to the Hassan II Mosque, one of the largest and most impressive mosques in the world. Its stunning architecture, intricate details, and sheer grandeur are simply breathtaking. It's a testament to the skill and artistry of Moroccan craftsmanship. Admire the mosque's towering minaret, the tallest in the world, reaching towards the heavens. Marvel at the intricate tile work, the ornate carvings, and the stunning stained glass windows. Step inside the prayer hall and experience the serene atmosphere of this sacred space. The Hassan II Mosque is a symbol of Moroccan pride and Islamic faith. It's a place where you can appreciate the beauty of religious architecture and the importance of spirituality in Moroccan culture. It's a truly awe-inspiring experience. Even if you're not religious, the Hassan II Mosque is a must-see attraction. Its sheer scale and architectural beauty are simply breathtaking, regardless of your beliefs. It's a masterpiece of human ingenuity and a testament to the rich cultural heritage of Morocco. Section 8. Culinary Delights, a Taste of Morocco. Casablanca is a food lover's paradise, offering a diverse range of culinary experiences. From traditional Moroccan cuisine to international flavors, there's something to satisfy every palate. Prepare your taste buds for a journey through the flavors of Morocco. Savor the rich and aromatic tagines, slow-cooked stews of meat, vegetables, and spices. Indulge in the fluffy couscous, a staple of Moroccan cuisine. Try the pastilla, a savory pie filled with meat, almonds, and spices. And don't forget the mint tea, the quintessential Moroccan beverage. Explore the bustling markets and sample the fresh produce, spices, and herbs that make Moroccan cuisine so unique. Take a cooking class and learn the secrets of Moroccan cooking from local chefs. Dine at traditional restaurants and experience the true flavors of Morocco. Whether you're a seasoned foodie or simply enjoy exploring new cuisines, Casablanca will not disappoint. It's a culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. Section 9. The vibrant nightlife, Casablanca, after dark. As the sun sets, Casablanca transforms into a vibrant playground, offering a diverse range of nightlife experiences. From trendy bars and nightclubs to traditional music venues and cultural performances, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Dance the night away at pulsating nightclubs, where DJs spin the latest tunes, sip cocktails at stylish bars and lounges, enjoying the city's vibrant atmosphere. Experience traditional Moroccan music and dance at cultural venues. The possibilities are endless. The Corniche comes alive at night, with its beachfront cafes, restaurants, and nightclubs offering a lively and social atmosphere. Explore the city's hidden bars and discover the secrets of Casablanca's underground nightlife. The city comes alive after dark. Whether you're looking for a wild night out or a more relaxed evening, Casablanca's nightlife scene has something to offer. It's a place where you can let loose, have fun, and experience the city's vibrant energy. Section 10. Casablanca for every traveler. Casablanca is a city for everyone, whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, a foodie, or a culture vulture. There's something here to capture your imagination and create lasting memories. For adventure seekers, explore the ancient Medina, haggle in the souks, and get lost in the city's bustling streets. For history buffs, visit the Hassan II Mosque, the Habous Quarter, and the ancient ruins of Anfa. For foodies, indulge in the diverse culinary scene from traditional Moroccan cuisine to international flavors. For culture vultures, explore the Quartier des Arts, visit the museums and galleries, and attend cultural performances. For those seeking relaxation, unwind on the beaches of the Corniche, enjoy a spa treatment, or simply soak up the city's vibrant atmosphere. Casablanca has something for everyone. Section 11. Conclusion. An unforgettable Moroccan adventure. Casablanca is more than just a city. It's an experience. It's a place that will challenge your perceptions, ignite your senses, and leave you with a newfound appreciation for the beauty and complexity of Moroccan culture. It's a journey you won't soon forget. From the bustling streets of the ancient Medina to the modern skyline of the city center, from the serene beaches of the Corniche to the majestic Hassan II Mosque, Casablanca offers a kaleidoscope of experiences that will stay with you long after you've left. It's a city that will steal your heart. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book your tickets, and prepare to embark on an unforgettable Moroccan adventure. Casablanca is calling. Let it enchant you. Come experience the magic of Casablanca for yourself.